Oh, bunny, you're so cute. Or whatever you're called. Yes, body, body, show that body. Look at you, so pretty. So pretty. Nope, I'm gonna be nice. Okay, bye. Okay, so in my last video, I said this one looked like it was like going to war or something. Or like, I might insert this in. I'm gonna do parts. Anyways, that's not important. So I said this one looked like it was fighting something over there. And now I'm looking at it, and it's like, it looks like a warrior. Like, hold on. Okay, so the wings, this is the one wing, and the other wing is this one. And then this is its head. And it's like it has long hair here, and like the hair drooping over. And then right here is its side. Yeah, you see, confirmation. I don't know, but right here is the side of it, and then you're coming to the front, and this right here, where you see the shadow, is its chest. I know it sounds loco, but when you know, you know. Cause like, it's hard to pick it up on camera, I'm not gonna hold you. But right here, there's a branch. Right there, yeah. Right here, and it looks like an arm. You have the forearm, the elbow, and then the other arm, and it's like it has armor right there. And then you see the head there, and then the other wing right here. But yeah, I just wanted to admire it and put a different perspective on it this day. And I'm also going a different route, or well, same route, but going a different way, going the other direction. So yeah, kind of giving me like giant fallen angel vibes. If you know, you know. But that's all I wanted to check in on in this clip, at least. Back to our trail. So I found a new one. This is by the cute river. It's not really a river. I think they call it a creek. There's the sun. If you can see it. It's not really showing up. Right there. Yeah, there's the sun, the creek. The bottom of the creek. Yeah, there's no way going down there. Let's just swim for it. But anyways, so this one, you have the shoulder. Look at the background. Ooh, glorious. You have the head, the nose. It's like it's wearing a helmet, though. Like, here's the helmet. There's the, or antenna, whatever it is. Nose, mouth, chin is right here. The chest, right there. And then you can see, like, a little bit of the arm. He's a beefcake. But yeah. See, I complimented him, and then it started moving. But yeah. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I love seeing figures. And then there's a dragonfly or whatever. I don't know if you see it though, but it's just kind of flying around me. But anyways. Yeah, I love my, what do they call it? What do they call it? Creative mindset. But yeah, there's the warrior. Looking all fine. Anyways, back to our walk. There's a family coming. Hopefully they don't pass me. Okay. You see the sun's going down too, but it feels so good. I'm gonna show y'all the family though. You too. Look who it is. It's our friend with the shoulder, head, and arm resting. Yeah, wasn't gonna catch that at first. Shh, take it up with Imagine that. And just the untouchedness. How do you roll it though? I was actually trying to get this view. Yes.